Today, in this video, the topic of prepositions will be learned. Prepositions are very important in English grammar. They help sentences become clear and meaningful. Without prepositions, it would be difficult to show relationships between people, places, time, and objects. In English, prepositions are used to show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. So, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. Here, the word on shows the relationship between the book and the table. We use these connecting words to give sentences clear direction, showing us the precise relationships between people, places, and time. In this lesson, the correct use of prepositions will be understood step by step with explanations and examples. Let us begin. Now, at, in, and on will be understood as prepositions of time. Each is used for different types of time expressions. In is used for longer periods, like months or years. On is used for specific days and dates. And at is used for exact time and festivals. For example, we wear woolens in winter, and my birthday is in August. Weekly tests are held on Mondays, and the Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. The first bell rings at 7 a.m. Next, we need to determine who performed the action and what they used to do it. The word by shows us the doer. It points directly to the person or animal that actually carried out the action. On the other side, with shows us the tool. It identifies the object the doer used to reach their goal. For example, the vegetables were cut by Mother. Mother did the action. The vegetables were cut with a knife. Knife is the instrument. Keeping the doer and the tool separate ensures we always know exactly how an action was completed. Prepositions of direction and movement show us how something moves from one place to another. Let us look at some examples. In shows position. Into shows movement from outside to inside. Across shows movement from one side to the other. Through shows movement from one end to the other inside something. Towards shows movement in the direction of something. Prepositions of direction and movement help us understand how someone or something moves. In this lesson, the correct use of prepositions was learned. Prepositions help show relationships of place, time, position, direction, agent, and instrument. It was understood how to use at, in, on, into, across, through, towards, by, and with. With practice, the correct prepositions can be used easily and confidently. Practice regularly, and their usage will become clear.